Dr. Prasad has been practicing his surgical artistry for over 15 years and has received many accolades from far and wide for his living art. Dr. Prasad is a visual artist and has been passionate about the arts for all of his life and has integrated this interest into his medical career in a very unique and very productive way. His innovative approach, his compassionate manner, and his gift of artistically restoring youth to patients all over the world is the reason that the Long Island Arts Council at Freeport is proud to honor Dr. Amiya Prasad with this year's Artie Award.
Artistry is such an important aspect when it comes to choosing a cosmetic surgeon. I can tell you that having been an artist and being honored as an artist, that it's a real gift that either you have or you don't. And it certainly sounds self-serving, but I have trained and taught hundreds and hundreds of doctors, and I can say from experience that judgment and perception of beauty and balance is something that is intrinsic. It's not something that is in a protocol. Medicine tends to attract a lot of people who have, we call them square personalities, where they're all about order and discipline and steps. But artistry is about a sense of balance and dimension. And so when I look at many of my journals where colleagues write about procedures they've done and they show off about, and I look at them and I see, well, something is really off about the way people are seeing their patients. And if you really want to get a sense of this, you can go to the Upper East Side of Manhattan or to some of the more affluent areas of Long Island and see a lot of the, quote, bad plastic surgery. So when it comes to choosing a doctor, you need to just get a sense of how artistic are they. And if you look at their work, and probably the best way to judge, in my opinion, is do their patients, does everyone look natural? And if you look natural, then you're really, as an artist, you're retaining the character. And the character of the face is so important to retain. And as strange as it may sound, that looking natural and looking like you didn't have something done requires skill. It actually takes a lot of skill and a lot of judgment. It's not how much you do, but it's also how much you don't do, or how you do the techniques you need to restore the character of a person's face that has been affected by aging changes. So for example, when lower eyelids are sagging, you don't want to pull them up super tight, you don't want to take away too much skin. You want to create beautiful almond-shaped eyes if this person had almond shape before. And even if they want it slightly enhanced, that is artistic judgment. So artistry is very, very important, and I'm hoping that this is a useful guide for you to make your decision.